Today I'm going to be showing you how to add speedy rideable chickens to your Minecraft world. Look how fast they are. Ridiculous. Okay, so first things first, we need to download and start up Mcreator. Here we are. And we will click New Workspace to start a new project. And on the left we'll select Minecraft Forge mod. So this is going to be a Forge mod for Java Edition. I'll give it a name, Mob Rider, or you can call it whatever you want. And then it will do this, and it takes absolutely ages, so I'm going to skip ahead, but just be patient and wait for the next screen, which is this. Now we need to add a mod element. We're going to add our mob, which will be a chicken. So we'll choose living entity and we'll select chicken from the drop down there. There's lots of stuff we can change here, but first things first, we need to add a texture. So we'll press the plus button and find a chicken texture, which you can download off the internet. I happen to have one ready, and then you'll select it there. So your mob has a texture, and there's a few parameters we can change here. We can make it bigger by changing the scale, or we can change the speed of it. I'm going to leave it at 1, which will make it chicken size, basically. Increase that if you want to make it bigger, decrease it if you want to make it smaller. But I want to ride a normal but speedy chicken. There's some other things here you can change if you wish. You can experiment with those, but I'm going to create a spawn egg for it first. I'm going to make a white one with red spots on it. So I've chosen white and red from those two options. And now I'll move on to behavior, because as I said, I want to make it rideable. There's plenty of things you can play around with here, speed, size, all sorts of things. I'll leave the top two options as they are because it's a mob and it doesn't do any special behavior. I'm going to make it faster. The speed was 0.3 and I've changed it to 1, so that's significantly faster. You can do whatever you want with that, but I just thought I'd do that because it's funny. Next, I will click Ridable here. And the other two controls, you need to select those so you can control it while you are riding it. Otherwise it'll just walk around randomly. There's a lot of things down here that you can change as well. I'm just going to turn off fall damage so I can ride my chicken off a cliff if I want to. So there's all sorts of things like make it fireproof, explosion proof, arrow proof, etc. And then I will move on to the sounds. There's some default sounds selected at the minute, but if you click on the pencil you can choose any of the sounds that are available within Minecraft. So I've started typing chicken, and I'm just going to add sounds for taking damage and dying, basically. So I'm just going to use the chicken sounds rather than the default ones which have been applied. So once I've done them, I will move on. Nothing on that page for me to do. Inventory, you can add inventory slots to the mob if you want, but I'm not going to do that. This is for some custom behaviors or custom events and things that you can make happen when an event happens. This is the AI and behavior screen. I'm just going to select the default chicken behavior rather than mess around with this. There's lots of things you can do on here, but I'm not going to get into it now. And once you've done, you save mob element or mod element to go back to the workspace screen. Make sure you do that first before you press the play button. I've just pressed play, and then it'll start with this screen and load up Forge and Minecraft Java. So I'll go on single player and I'll start a creative world just so I can spawn the mob as I want to. I'll give my world a name. I'll call it mob tester or something. Make sure it's on creative mode so you can spawn the thing that you're testing in the game, and wait for the world to load. There I am with a default skin on. There's my rideable chicken egg. Spawn a few of them and hop on. Let's see how fast this baby can go. Yep, left and right controls are active. have a little look before I go. See how fast that one is on the left. Brrr, speedy. Okay, you can do this with any mob, really. You can be riding sheep if you wish, but I thought I'd do a chicken. And this is, as you saw, a Java mod that can be exported and installed via Forge. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll be back with more tutorials and custom Minecraft content. Thanks for watching.